Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today we'll be checking out the EGO Nexus Portable Power Station. This power station has been out for a while and it's starting to actually show its age, but I wanted to revisit this, compare it to some other models out there, and let you know if this is still worth buying in 2025 and 2026 going forward. So if you've been interested in a power station, specifically this EGO one, stay tuned and I'll share my thoughts and kind of share my experience with it. Now, as always, before we get started, I do ask that if you found my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So first up, I want to do a side-by-side comparison, and I chose the Blue Eddy Elite 200, but I really could have chosen any of the other brands out there. Anchor has some good ones, EcoFlow has some great ones, but I think this Blue Eddy is going to serve as a pretty good comparison, and just look side-by-side how much bigger the EGO unit is. While those other brands are trying to shrink down their power stations, this EGO one is so bold and rugged, but I'm going to talk about why that is sometimes an advantage and why I find myself grabbing this EGO one and using it way more than my other power stations out there. So at first glance of the specs, this is where you're going to think that the EGO one is kind of getting outdated and is falling behind. So your EGO power station has 3 AC ports. If you notice that Blue Eddy has 4, your EGO has 4 USB-A ports, no USB-C ports, while the Blue Eddy has 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, with both of those capable of 100-watt charging. So just right off the bat there, that might be a deal breaker for some people. If you're going to be using this thing to charge maybe like drones or camera equipment or anything that really needs that USB-C fast charging, this EGO power station is not going to be for you. The Blue Eddy, as well as a lot of the other ones out there, all are app controlled, have a fully featured app that you can control the unit, turn it on and off, turn off different ports, see how much power it's pulling. And the EGO unit does not have any app support currently. And then we'll talk about charging. The Blue Eddy has a car charging port, a solar port, and a wall outlet charger that can actually charge this thing in just 1 hour, so it can fast charge it, where your EGO unit can only be charged via a wall charger that's included. Now, they do sell a solar adapter that you do have to buy separately for about $190 if you do want to use this with a solar panel. Now, that's pretty lopsided on the specs, but now let me tell you where this EGO power station makes up for all of those shortcomings. So first up is the design. This thing is made for a job site, and it doesn't try to be small and compact and sacrifice that ruggedness. So it's pretty well protected by these bars at each corner. It has really nice grippable handles on it. And a huge bonus to this EGO power station is all of the ports have a waterproof cover on them. And the cover is really nice. It's not a dinky thing that's going to leak. This thing is truly waterproof. It also has water shields for the air cooling, intake, and output. Where your other power stations are supposed to be under a tarp or in a tent if there's rain, this thing could stand out in the rain, which I think is a huge advantage to this. It's one of the only power stations on the market that can handle that. I also love that the power charger straps into the top. There's also the power cord is underneath in a waterproof compartment, so you never have to worry about losing that. And then, of course, you have the batteries on the side. So this just makes it totally modular. You can run this thing with all 4 batteries. You can run it with just 2 batteries. So you can actually customize the output based on the batteries that you have available and that you want to take with you. And now here is the game-changing feature that I didn't really realize until I got my hands on this unit. And I think it's just a great use case for this power station. And that is I can leave this in my truck, in the back of my truck, strapped in. And it's easy to strap in because of those roll cage bars on the edges. And then I can just take the batteries out and leave the base power station in the back of my truck. So the reason why I wouldn't want to do that with the Blue Eddy or any of the other power stations is that I wouldn't want to leave that in a hot truck, you know, on a 100-degree day or something like that. And then vice versa, I wouldn't want to leave it back there on a super cold night. That obviously would not be good for the batteries. And because those batteries are built into those other power stations, you really have to remove the entire power station. But that's the really cool thing about this EGO one is, like I said, I can just leave it in the back of my truck strapped in all the time and then remove the batteries with me, take some with me, easily pop them in and out. And that's why I really think this is the ultimate power station for a job site, for a contractor, for somebody on the go that likes to have a solution just on hand whenever they need to grab it. And then especially if you already have EGO tools, you can obviously use those batteries in those tools, put them back in the power station, and it really just works well with your whole system. But yeah, I've loved using it that way. You can see here, sometimes I like to take my e-bikes places. Having this in the back can make sure those bikes stay charged up on my different trips. And then let's talk about price. Let's talk about the other big advantage to this EGO unit, especially if you're already in the EGO system. So just for comparison, that Blue Eddy that I was talking about is over $1,000 at $1,100. Now it does often go on sale. You can see it's already on sale now. The retail price is $1,700, but I think $1,000-ish is usually the price that you would have to pay for something like this. Where the EGO unit you can get in a couple of different configurations. So you can get it tool only, no batteries included for $659. So a lot less than that Blue Eddy. Now, of course, you don't have any batteries with this. And that's what I was talking about. If you're in the EGO system and you can use those batteries in lawnmowers, string trimmers, all that kind of stuff, that's where this makes sense. For you can just add on a power station and use those batteries a lot cheaper than getting some of those other power stations on the market that have the built-in batteries. Now, you can also go all in. You can get the 4 5-amp-hour batteries included. That's the configuration that you see right here. That is going to be $1,650, which might seem like a lot, but those EGO batteries are not cheap. You can see here the 5-amp-hour batteries are $330 a piece. So really, when it comes to that configuration, you're really paying for those batteries. Now, EGO will be coming out with a brand new version of this power station that will include those new USB-C ports. I also bet that it will work with an app. It has a more compact design. The release date for that is yet to be determined, but don't sleep on this one, especially if you can get it at a discount and on sale as that new one gets released soon. But if you have this, let me know how you like it. I'm curious to hear your guys' feedback. As usual, I will have links to all this stuff in the description below. I do earn a small commission if you decide to use those links. Just help support my channel at no extra cost to you. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.